If you plow snow for a living, check out the most powerful snow plowing technology available today. The original Power Plow from Blizzard. With a touch of a button, you can get wide, angle, scoop, move more snow. The possibilities are endless because you control each hydraulic wing independently for maximum plowing efficiency. Discover how much faster you can get the job done with the original Power Plow from Blizzard. Professional snowplowers know that to move more snow, you can't beat wings. And you won't find a better value than the Speedwing from Blizzard. With the Speedwing's simple mechanical design, the wings automatically move forward and back whenever you angle the blade for maximum carry, more efficient windrowing, and minimum spill. Speedwing, the plow that takes care of moving the wings so you can take care of moving the snow.